So the second buy was this Rockwell Jawhorse. I know what they sell for. I don't know exactly how old this one is. It's supposed to be brand new. It don't look like it's in the best shape in the world, but it was supposed to have been brand new in the box, never been used. So we're going to take it out and we're going to take a look at it and just see if everything's here, which I can tell you now that it might be doubtful. So I might have got ripped off on this in a way. So there's the bracket. And there's the legs with no vise. So I broke down. I bought one of these. I got my 20% coupon, and I seen on a video that this plywood Jawhorse from Rockwell will work on these, and I don't know if it will or not, but if it does, then I've got a bonus for length and it'll be nice. So I'm gonna open this up and let you see what it looks like. Portable Workstation from Frankfurt. So that answers that question. That works great. Yep, that's going to be handy. And now I can do several things with this. So. Anyway, I was expecting a Jawhorse when I bought this because that's what it advertised on the online auction. But anyway, it should theoretically. I'll check this out real quick. That actually catches right there. As soon as it goes over that, that should be able to engage. And that's 50 inches. So if that's engaged, there we go. That's 49.5. That gives you plenty of room to get a 4x8 sheet of plywood in there to hold it in place for you either use for a workbench or whatever. We've got other pieces in here and a booklet, and they said I bought them on an online auction, and I don't know if this is for extensions or it looks like it has a piece that goes across to hold them up in place. These are for extensions to hold the plywood a little better. So I don't know if I'll ever find these pieces or if I have to make it. It may be just a 2x3 or something that you screw them down on. So it's worth a shot to have an extra piece of workbench sometimes. But I can tell you this much, these things are heavy duty. So they both are super duper heavy. And I'll probably be using it for is to put my box tops together here in a little bit. So I don't have room in here to use this like I would like to right now because obviously I've got limited space over here. So I'm going to wait on using this for anything, and that way I can actually use it and it'd be handy to use. So like I said, I'll wait on a project to do with this, but I know it was worth the investment. I mean, just be able to hold the stuff, put a door in here while I'm drilling a doorknob or something, hold it in position, or maybe even hold the whole door up while I'm putting hinges in place. And I'll be doing quite a bit of that here shortly. So a handle so you can hold on and when you're pressing the foot pedal down to make it latch harder. I'm going to put a little pressure on it. Yeah, no. It's set. It ain't going to go nowhere. It may lock it right there like that. No, it don't. So, but anyway. I've got it locked there and oh, no, don't even need to do that. So, got a little knob on the side here that you can lock it in place for shipping or moving. You really got to watch how much pressure you put on this because it will bust certain. I mean, if it won't take the pressure in between these jaws, because you can put a lot of weight on this jaw when it closes down. I felt it while I was just goofing around with that tube before. It will absolutely crush stuff, so you got to be careful. So alright, let's get where you can see how easy it is to take this down and store it. Make sure I ain't in the way here. No, you just do everything in reverse. Take this latch, slide it over, hold the leg down. Take this one, hold it down. A little bit of a tight fit there. Had that in the wrong direction, wasn't thinking. Goes right in there like that, locks down, and then carry it wherever you want. So put it over here out of the way for now, and then start working on my V-box tops. So I'll add more to it as I use it. I mean, I know there's a lot of things I can use it for, so it'll be nice.